Hey guys, I just got my new Chuggington StackTrack trains in the mail a couple days ago, and I am going to unbox a couple of them and see how well they link together, because the kids in my classroom, they love trains, but they love them even more if they stay together and they can be played on our train track that we have. So I'm going to open up a couple of them and see how well they connect here. You can see the first one looks like a cute little fire engine guy. His name is Wilson, apparently. Oh, it comes with little cards too. The kids will like those. Be able to play with those. Yes, the Chug Patroller is what Wilson is. So we'll set Wilson right up here, and we're gonna open up Asher Adam. Let's see how well Asher Adam connects to Wilson. I would say these are packed very tightly, so that's good. Lots of plastic surrounding them to protect them from getting beat up. So here we, oh, there's a little fire truck. I love it. So this is Asher Adam. You can see the wheels down there. It has his name down here as well. And you can see the connecting mechanism. It's kind of like a ball on one side and a socket on the other. So let's see how well these do. You can see while I'm videoing this. You just kind of push it in. And there you go. That's a really strong connection too. You're going to have to yank kind of hard to get that apart. So that's good because my kids are younger. And you don't want ones that fall apart as soon as you touch them. So these are going to be awesome, and they roll really nice on the table too. I think I'm going to have fun playing with these. So I'm going to open up the other four here and set them all up and go have some fun.